Hey everyone, I'm Lainey and today I'm going to show you 3 of my favorite fall hairstyles for long hair. So first I'm going to show you a side braid, a knotted ponytail, and a messy bun with a scarf. So let's go ahead and get started. So before we get into these hairstyles, I'm going to blow dry my hair using the Shark HyperAIR with the IQ styling brush attachment. I love how fast this dries my hair and how healthy my hair feels after. Now that our hair is dry, let's go ahead and do a side braid. So this easy side braid, it does not require a single hair tie. Yes, no hair ties. So let me show you. So you're going to divide your hair into 3 equal strands, but don't separate your strands completely. You want them to kind of be a little bit tangled, so you want them to be kind of stuck together at the bottom, and that's what's going to hold your braid together at the end. So once you get to the very bottom, you won't be able to go too much farther, and it'll create a little pocket, and you're just going to flip your ends up through that pocket. And then you just want to pancake your braid, so pinch and pull on the braid, and that is it. No hair tie needed. It's so beautiful, so cute, and you can literally do this hairstyle anywhere. If you didn't want to do a 3-strand braid, you could always do a fishtail or 4-strand braid or really any type of side braid. So now I'm going to show you how to do a knotted ponytail for those fall days where you just want your hair up off your neck. So you want to take a section from each side of your head, and then with the rest of your hair, you're going to tie it up into a ponytail. With the 2 sections in the front, you're going to bring them around the back, and above your ponytail, you're just going to tie a knot, just like you were tying your shoelaces. And you're going to tie it tight, make sure it's nice and secure. Then you're going to bring those ends underneath the ponytail, so flip the ponytail up and then just tie those ends with a clear elastic, flip your ponytail back down, and then you just want to tug on your knot a little bit and then pinch and pull the rest of your hair for some texture, and then that is it. You have an adorable ponytail. And that is a knotted ponytail, one of my favorite ponytail hairstyles. And finally, I'm going to show you how you can get a quick and easy messy bun with a scarf. A scarf is the perfect hair accessory to dress up your messy bun and kind of turn it into something special. So I like to pull out some hair in the front, and then I'm just going to take the rest of the hair, put it up into a ponytail. I'm going to take my hair tie, bring it halfway down around my ponytail, put my hand through, and then flip that ponytail forward. I'm going to hold on to that bun we just created and then take my ends and then wrap them around the back, and then take my hair tie and just pull it over everything. So it's going to look a little crazy at first, but don't worry, it's going to be super cute. So we're just going to kind of fluff it out a little bit, stretch it, and we're going to take a bobby pin and just secure the side of it, and then just fluff it out even more. So then just take your scarf, bring it around the front of the bun to the back of the bun, and just tie it in a few knots. Then you just want to pinch and pull around the top for some texture and for some volume. This messy bun is definitely one of my staples. And that's it. You've got the perfect messy bun with a cute hair scarf to make your outfit look complete. Check out sharkbeauty.com for more tips and inspiration and to shop their HyperAIR and IQ stylers. Bye!